Hello again, guys. The Weekend Mechanic is back. Today we're working on a BMW E46, a 2001 model 330 Ci convertible. The issue that I'm having right now, guys, this model, which is a common issue, is at the dashboard. The trim clips are going bad. Well, it's a really old car, so you can expect issues like this. So as you can see, there are 5 holes. I already took off the panel. I just have to put the clips in the right position and then to put the panels back. After I took off the trim panel, I'm just gonna put these clips back on. You can find this on Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you guys. I cleaned those panel trims a little bit, guys. They look better now. Now we're ready to put them back. Right, you really want to press it really well. So it's gonna get stuck in there. Here we go. This is how it looks like. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video as well. I'll see you next time.